is Chick Gamer 2.0 here, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to be doing TNT Thursday, add a cube. So this is the second episode, and we added a cube. So now there's 2 cubes. So there was an add a cube 1, and there will be a playlist down below in the description, so you guys can check it out. Check out the first video. So yeah, I made my little base already right here. So technically we added cubes. Now we have 2 10 by 10 cubes, which is 2,000 TNT blocks. So let's begin. So no, what are we doing? Okay, it's done. Whoa. This was 2 cubes. This was 2 cubes. Whoa. I mean, it was definitely more of a difference than in the first video, but yo, it went over here too. Wow. This was huge. Wait, is it affecting over here? No? Wow. That was a huge one. And you see it blown up some of the river. It destroyed the river. Whoa. I can't wait what happens when we blow up 3 blocks. Well, okay guys, that was Add a Cube Thursday. Second episode. There will be a 3rd video next Thursday with 3 cubes. Man, this is huge and sweet. Well guys, that is the end of this Add a Cube episode here. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, please subscribe and leave a like. And yeah, I'll see you guys all later. And peace out.